Good morning, children. This is our revision video for periodic assessment 1. We are going to learn our second lesson, that is living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. So here, what you can see here in the picture? Here you can see a boy along with some kittens in the room. The boy and those kittens and a cat are living things, and the remaining things are non-living things like your bed, pillows, window, curtain, all are non-living things. Now we'll write the living and non-living things. What are the living things? Boy. B-O-Y, boy. Write it. Next one is cat. C-A-T, cat. Kittens are the young ones of cats. The small cats are known as kittens. That is kittens. Non-living things. Windows, table, bed. Here we can see window, table, then bed. Isn't it? These are non-living things. Living things. All the plants and animals are living things. All plants and animals are living things. So here, name any 5 living things that you see in the picture. First one is dog. Next, bird. D-O-G, dog. B-I-R-D, bird. G-I-R-L, girl. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. B-O-Y, boy. So these are the 5 living things. So what are the living things actually? What things they do? Let us see. First one, living things eat. Living things eat. So among these, who will eat? The first one is butterfly. Next one is a gift or a box. Third one is doll, cat, and boy. Isn't it? The boy is similar like you children, either a boy or a girl. So if we are feeling hungry, we will eat. So we are living things. Human beings, a boy or a girl, man or a woman, is a living thing. Whereas the cat also a living thing. Cat also eat and drink milk, isn't it? Do the doll eat and drink? No. Butterfly also suck the nectar from the flower. So living things eat. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. As we are the human beings, we will breathe. We'll take the air inside from our nose and we'll release the air. Isn't it? Like this, we'll take the air inside our nose and we will release that. In the same way, animals also breathe. Next one, living things grow. Living things grow. They increase in their size. The time when we are of 2 years or 3 years old, your height was different. Now if you are grown up to at least a 4 years or 5 years child, either a boy or a girl now. If you are a girl or a boy, your height is increasing, isn't it? So, living things will grow. Not only the boys and the girls, everyone will increase, like plants and human beings, animals, they will grow in their heights, isn't it? Just now we have seen that the cat was small, then slowly they were called kittens. Slowly they started growing as like human beings. Think that just if you are born, if you are a 1-year-old boy or a girl, so you are similar to this frame. A small baby in a frame, green colored picture of 1-year-old. Then after 10 years old, if you have completed your 10 years, or you might have your siblings, brothers or sisters with you, isn't it? So they are 10 years old. Then the height increases from picture 1 to picture 2. Then if you grew up to 25 years old, 25 years old, then your height increases, isn't it? That is picture number 3, isn't it? From this we can say that living things grow. The things which will grow, the main thing, the things which grow in their height are also called living things. Living things move. Living things move. Who seems to be moved here? A dolphin and a horse. Dolphin and a horse. Living things feel. Who will feel? Human beings also feel and plants also feel. Plants. Plants, plants. Plants feel, whereas living things also feel. Like as it is, now the winter season started, everyone are feeling cold, isn't it? So we will react to the environment. This is called feel. Living things have babies, isn't it? Living things have babies. So here a man is sitting with a baby, and the hen with its eggs. The young one of hens are called chickens. The small young one of a man is called a baby. Name the things you see in the classroom. So what are the things in the classroom here? We have desk, fan, dustbin, chalk piece, duster, books, desk, blackboard, books, bag, fan. So these are the words you can see in the picture. Here, desk, D-E-S-K, desk. First one is D-E-S-K, desk. Second one is fan, F-A-N, fan. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Blackboard, B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. Chalk, C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Dustbin, D-U-S-T, dust, B-I-N, bin, dustbin. Books, B-O-O-K-S, books. Bag, B-A-G, bag. Living things that grow. Living things that grow means increase in size. Grow, G-R-O-W, grow, increase in size. Those are rats, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Rat grow in size and flowers. Living things that breathe. Living things that breathe. What is that? Ostrich. Ostrich. Living things that feel. Living things that feel. Plants. 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 Living things that move. Living things that move. Cheetah and monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. C-H-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. C-H. So from this what did we learn? Living things grow are rats. R-A-T, rat. Rat grows and flower also grows. Living things that grow. Living things that breathe. Ostrich and a dog. Ostrich and dog. Living things that feel. Plants, squirrel. Plants, squirrel. Living things that move. Cheetah and monkey. Cheetah and monkey. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.